Hello and welcome to another Power BI video. In this video, we are going to discuss one Power Query function that is List.Intersect. So we are going to take two lists and we are going to do an intersect, try to find out the common elements. Okay, so let's jump onto the Power BI. And what we are going to do is we are going to jump directly onto the transform data here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new query here. So I will go to the source and I'll create a blank query, and it will create a blank query, and I will right click here and I'll click on advanced editor to go there, and I'll found this source is there. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to create a list out here by saying 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So I got a list here one, and I'm going to return that. I say done. So I got a list here. Fine. Now let me go again, right click on advanced editor, and let me make this as a list 1. And comma enter, again the same list I'm giving, but let me make it 2. And let me keep 1, 2, 3 is common, and then let me say 7 comma 8. Okay, so I got two lists, and then I would like to return one of these two. So I'm going to return the list 2, the last one I'm going to return. So let me return list 2. So now you can see the second list is written. Now I want to do the operation which is intersect. So again, right click, advanced editor. I'm going to create a list 3. Which is equal to list.intersect, and I need to give list of lists. So simply giving the name would, again one more thing which I need to do before I do that, I need to give comma so that I can have the next line coming in, and I say list 3 equal to list.intersect, and I need to give list of lists. So I start with a empty list. Here I give angular bracket angle, and in this one I give list 1 comma list 2. So I got list 1 comma list 2, and then let me return list 3. So I'm going to return now list 3, which is intersect of list 1 and list 2. Let's see what we get. We got 1, 2 and 3. Why we got 1, 2 and 3? Let's go to the advanced editor and look at both the lists. 1, 2 and 3 are common in both the lists, and intersect means the only common portion. So we have union operations, we have intersect operation. Union means combining everything within both the list. Intersect means only the common portion. In case of union, the repeating portion will only come once. In case of intersection, only the repeating portion will come, and that too only once. So we got it. But what happens when I need this across two columns of a table? So let's think about that. Okay, so I got this data table. I have this column A1 and A2 into this one. 1, 3, 5 and 7. 1, 2, 4 and 7. So you can see 1 and 7 are the common one, A1 and A2, and it could be across two different tables, two column across two different columns, and we might need it there. So then how do we do this intersect? Okay, so I go here, right click, I go to advanced editor, and let me try to create a list 4 here. List 4, and before I create a list 4, again I need to end the last line, and then I'll come here and I'll say equal to, and I again say list dot intersect, and here again first thing is empty list. Now let me try data A1 comma data A2. So whenever we give this table name and the column name in Power Query, we can treat it as a list. Okay, so when you give a table name and a column name, it will be treated as a list. So we given this, and then we need to return list 4, because list 4 is the operation where we are doing this, and so we are going to return list 4, and let's say done, and we got 1 and 7. So I again click back on the query 2, because that's where I need to see, and you can see all these steps. So we created list 1, we created list 2, we created list 3, list 4. You might be familiar with similar operations when you create a table, and we'll convert this to a table also, because so we got 1 and 7. So now what happens is there are two tables, and there are two columns, and you want a list of common things across those two columns. You can go ahead and do this and create a list. But finally, you are not going to consume a list. What typically we are going to consume is a table. Okay, So what we are going to do is we are going to click on this to table, and this is going to ask enter the delimiters or how to handle the extra columns. We don't say anything and we simply say to table. Now you can see here, either here you can see from list or advanced editor. If you open, you will see convert to table. The new step has been added. Table from list, list for splitter dot split nothing, null null extra values dot error. So this is how you convert a list. uh, you got a table from a list, and now we are returning converted to table instead of list 4. The converted to table is returning. So now instead of starting returning the list, we are inserting returning the table. Okay, so done, and we can say close and apply, so that we get this table into our Power BI for analysis. So go ahead and try this out. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.